My name is Jyoti Lakshmi and today we are going to talk about conventional intelligent agents. So now let us get the meaning of what is an intelligent agent. The aim of artificial intelligence is to create an environment where the machines or systems work like humans without the intervention of humans. So, the main aim of artificial intelligence is to create a system which is smarter than human, which can work like human without the intervention of humans. So that is the main one fundamental aim of artificial intelligence. Let's break down the term into intelligent and agent. An agent is something which acts according to the information provided to it, while intelligence is to learn and act according to the environment. So here it is given the meaning of the difference between the meaning of intelligence and agent separately. So it is said here that agent is something which which acts according to the information provided, and intelligence is something which is used to learn and act accordingly in the environment. So on the whole, an intelligent agent is something which responds or reacts according to the information it receives and according to the environment it is in. So as a whole, an intelligent agent can be said that it acts according to the information it has achieved, it has received from, and accordingly how it acts in the environment. So as a whole, that system is said to be an intelligent agent. So this is one of the cycle which can be seen that from intelligent agent, that it adds the knowledge required from the past and makes the decision on its own, unlike the other agent. Cognitive science explains how these intelligent agents achieve their goals. For example, an e-commerce agent's goal is to provide the best services to the customer according to the filters of one applied. It operates in the background search for the requirement. So it is one complete cycle how it is shown that how informations are received and how accordingly an intelligent agent work. So the example is also given here of e-commerce goal is to provide the best service to the customer according to the filters on applied. So while many data will be collected from the people, and such data will be given as an input, so what will happen, and in that while while an e-commerce agent's goal is to provide the best service to the customer, so there those filters will be applied, like what is required by the people, what is maximum things required by the people, and accordingly the things will be provided to the people. Let us suppose a customer wants to buy a mask with the following specifications: cotton, blue color, reusable, under 100. So a criteria is given. Suppose a customer wants to buy a mask which is of cotton, is of blue color, reusable, and under 100 rupees. The web agent filters the mask from all the products and searches for the given specification and sorts the products according to the filters applied in the background and displays the required one to the customer. So what happens? So the agent filters all the criteria that are being provided by the customer, and they filter it and provide accordingly to the customer with the help of those filters applied and the criteria provided by the people. Though this process happens in a minute or two, the work does is huge. So this thing takes very less time, but the work done is very huge. The agent refers to its past experiences, the data it has stored, and works on the environment. So so in this way the agent carries information, and it this is how they are uh, this is how they help people to this is how they help people in providing all the things that are required by the customer. Now, what is conventional AI? It is based on machine learning, which is the development of the techniques and algorithms that allow machines to learn or at least simulate learning. So what is conventional AI is that it is a study of machine learning, and with the help of algorithms, it can allow a machine to learn or stimulate learning. So The types of conventional agents are simple reflex agent, model-based reflex agent, learning agent, utility-based agent, and goal-based agent. So these are the types of the conventional agents. How does an agent recognize the environment? So we will here discuss about how does the agent recognize the environment. It employs sensors to gather the information to require performing an action. So sensors are required to collect those information. Cameras, temperature sensors, images can act as sensors if they are linked to the agent. So these are the sensors required if we want this process to be successful. Effectors are employed to act on the external environment. A printer and a screen can act as effectors for the agent. So the external environment, the effectors required here may be the printer and screen which are required in this process. Now types of robot sensors are light sensor, proximity sensor, sound sensor, temperature sensor, and acceleration sensor. So brain of an intelligent agent. So this is the whole cycle. How they collect informations from the people with the help of the agent, and with the help of the agents those data are being filtered, and how sensors detect those, and the and finally the criteria is fulfilled and provided, and the ultimate output is provided to the people. I hope you learned a lot. Thank you.